a shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight.
Let the attack begin.
So I'm here at my hobby shop on base. I'm about to do the what's this called? American Extreme Muscle or Extreme American Muscle Catless Midpipes. So I'm gonna change these. You can see my car was low, so every time I used to hit these on the speed bumps. So I'm gonna go with the Catless Midpipes for right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and change these out. First, what I had to do, I had to unplug the OT sensors on this side. This was just friggin' zip tied up there. I bet this from when they had to change my clutch at the dealership. And then here's the other one. Unplugged it from a hair. I'm gonna have to cut this zip tie right here. I'm gonna unscrew these 2 bolts and pull it out. to be using this Vibram O2 standoff till I get it tuned by soon after they do the nitrous and stuff like that. But I'm going to use these. Just got that O2 sensor out. Whew, was a bitch to get out. So now I'm gonna go ahead and set this up. So this is what it looks like, completely installed. Those are the oxygen sensors. Stand off till I get it tuned. Hopefully it doesn't throw a check engine light for the O2 sensors. But all in all, looks pretty good. I like it so far. Now to hear what it sounds like. So after the mid-pipe, put in the Catless mid-pipes, they sound pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a cold start. I've been sitting here for about a week since I've been out of town. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the tripod down and start it up.